piece of cake, piece of cake. Meaning, something is very easy. Example, making pancakes is a piece of cake for Sarah. Spill the beans. Spill the beans. Meaning, to reveal a secret. Example, Tim accidentally spilled the beans about the surprise party. Cool as a cucumber. Cool as a cucumber. Meaning, to be calm and composed. Example, even during the presentation, she remained cool as a cucumber. Walk on eggshells. Walk on eggshells. Meaning, to be very cautious or delicate in dealing with a situation or person. Example, I have to walk on eggshells around my strict teacher. Couch potato. Couch potato. Meaning, a lazy person who spends a lot of time sitting on the couch watching TV. Example, after work, I become a couch potato and watch TV for hours. In a nutshell. In a nutshell. Meaning, to sum something up briefly. Example, to explain in a nutshell, the trip will be next weekend. Eat like a horse. Eat like a horse. Meaning, to eat a lot of food. Example, after soccer practice, Max eats like a horse. Go bananas. Go bananas. Meaning, to go crazy or act wildly. Example, the crowd went bananas when their team won the game. Like two peas in a pod. Like two peas in a pod. Meaning, very similar or close, like best friends or siblings. Example, Sarah and Emily are like two peas in a pod, they do everything together. Apple of my eye. Apple of my eye. Meaning, someone or something cherished above all others. Example, my little sister is the apple of my eye. Cry over spilled milk. Cry over spilled milk. Meaning, to worry about something that has already happened and can't be changed. Example, don't cry over spilled milk, we can clean it up. To butter someone up. To butter someone up. Meaning, to flatter someone to get what you want. Example, she tried to butter up her teacher before asking for extra credit. full of beans, full of beans. Meaning, to have a lot of energy. Example, the kids were full of beans after playing at the park. Bring home the bacon. Bring home the bacon. Meaning, to earn a living or provide for a family. Example, my dad works hard to bring home the bacon for our family. A piece of the pie. A piece of the pie. Meaning, to have a share in something. Example, everyone wants a piece of the pie in the school project. Take it with a grain of salt. Take it with a grain of salt. Meaning, to not take something too seriously or to be skeptical. Example, I take his stories with a grain of salt because he exaggerates. Have your cake and eat it too. Have your cake and eat it too. Meaning, to want everything both ways, which is usually impossible. Example, you can't have your cake and eat it too, you have to choose one. Spice things up. Spice things up. Meaning, to make something more exciting or interesting. Example, let's spice things up by going on a road trip this weekend. Sweet tooth. Sweet tooth. Meaning, a craving or strong liking for sweet foods. Example, I have a sweet tooth, so I love eating chocolate. Egg on your face. Egg on your face. Meaning, to be embarrassed or humiliated. Example, I had egg on my face when I forgot my lines in the school play. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.